Hui, good morning everyone. Tomorrow is Himmelfahrtstag, and that makes it a national holiday that nobody actually celebrates, but are really happy they get the day off work. Ugh, a peanut M&M stuck in my throat. Anyways, we have a press conference, but nothing is actually set in stone, and there's a lot of people at the park today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's really bright out there. 8. There are 8 Anderhalve Meter signs up. You can see it's super bright out there. I'm probably gonna go out and ride a bike. Probably put up another YouTube shorts. I know that Matt likes seeing those. They're really short and they bring them up on his phone. You've got mail. Anyways, so I'm gonna go. Okay, so Himmelfahrtstag. What is that? That's just Ascension Day. That's, in case you don't actually know about religious holidays, because the Netherlands is oh so super religious. It's the day that Jesus Christus has arisen. So Easter happens, so Good Friday gets put in the cave. At the end of that, after 3 days, and then he walks around for a little while, like pulling pranks on people or something. And now we have Ascension Day. Which is basically, yeah, Himmel is heaven, Fahrt is moving. It's close to the German Fahrt, F-A-H-R-T, Fahrt, so Fahrt in Dutch, and Dag, so heaven traveling day. That's when he finally goes to heaven. Anyway, so basically Himmelfahrtstag is the day that zombie Jesus leaves us for the great beyond. And I've been falling down Babylon 5 holes on TikTok. My mayonnaise video went super nuts yesterday. It's probably going to go nuts again today, as the Dutch come back into what's going on. I'm going to be out and about, but Dutchnews.nl, because they have a What Should You Know? They went over it on Aaron's meeting this morning. So yeah, there's Hugo de Jonge. Hugo. Remains a balancing act, says the Rutte. Just spit on my phone. Gleeked. I don't know if you guys saw that. Cafes to open their outdoor seating areas from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. so guests can both have breakfast and dinner outside with beer. Amusement parks, the adult workers can go back, will be able to start working again as the last of the contact professions. Amusement parks, zoos will be able to open to their doors on 19 May, as well as gyms and swimming pools. So by the end of the month, I'll be back in the gym. If they follow strict, yeah, we know the strict protocol crap. The ad went away, hang on. Gotta focus where I was. Open air museums will be able to open, limits on numbers. Madurodam, technically a zoo is an open air museum. You don't really want to think of it that way, but it is. But there are various other things. Kokenhof is an open air museum of tulips, and various other, like you're probably going to be able to go to the grounds of Mouterslot, the castle over there I've been to a couple times on the bike, but you may not be able to go inside the castle. Secondary schools can reopen fully while ditching the Anderhalve Meter rule. Secondary schools are currently partially open and pupils still have online lessons. Travel, probably not. Minister said that he expects the coronavirus vaccination to become an annual event, and orders have already been placed for vaccines in 2022 and 2023. Quarantine rules, which have not been enacted in law, could also keep people from a very high-risk country, he said. So in case things get broken, in case other countries in the future have breakouts, we may be able to ban them from coming back into society, because the United States will not achieve herd immunity. But there are no rules for the football or the weird age restriction sake. Of course, even if they did increase it to 35, I wouldn't be in that one. We just start realizing how old everyone on the team really is. Oh, King's Day festivities still need to be fully felt. That's true. We are now exactly yesterday was 2 weeks from King's Day, so That's fun. You guys can see when I was out at football practice how my face got brown versus how the rest of my body didn't. I mean, I had a short sleeve shirt on, so maybe we can see that. Maybe that works. I don't know. The LCD is a bit weirder looking than when I see it on editing. They are currently chatting. Since this is a national holiday, this will give us an option to do practice early, prefer 11 or 20, which is 8 o'clock, our usual time on Thursdays. New guy Jesse says 11 would be okay. I said as early in mid-afternoon possible. I don't necessarily like coming home at midnight. It is enough to keep my schedule consistent, although I don't really want to be leaving at 8:30 in the morning tomorrow. But 4 people said that they can, well, a bunch of people said they can do both, much like me. Thomas, Sven, and Dennis and Ronald actually cannot do until later. So it's probably going to be good because there's a lot of people that don't really care. Yeah. So I'm going to make a TikTok here. And then I'm going to figure out what's going on with like trains and chickens, and then I'm going to go out and about and we're going to go see what's up because it's a nice sunny day. Look at this weather. Look at that weather. It is 14 degrees and partially, like mostly sunny. I mean, look at that hourly. That's great. I mean, if I'm just going out and about, I could probably have, you know, like not like into town or anything fast. I could probably have t-shirt, maybe even shorts. Get some tanning on my legs. Not be walking around in tights. No, I shouldn't start one of those. I have enough problems with social media as is. Because I already did that and it wasn't really that fulfilling. Okie dokie. We're just going through the backside. I had to, a couple garbage things were jam-packed, so I had to go to the one near where the plastics are. That's the sport hall. There's like a gym and stuff in there. I don't actually know if it's open because I think its opening day area was supposed to be during Corona. Still waiting for these things to get built upon. I'm going out and around. I'm taking a really long path. Put it up on the screen here so you guys can see, because going to Albertheim, but I'm taking the longest route to Albertheim, to the bike lane, because I could just go that way, but let's go out and around. Oop, broken glass. How nice. Can't wait till we get more of these fields. But yeah, skate park is jam-packed today, and it's going to be jam-packed tomorrow because tomorrow is a holiday nobody cares about. Now I'm going away from Albertheim. It's a little awkward to get in and out across the bridges. But yeah, aside from 2 driveways, everything's a bridge. So there is one more area that I think, but I think that's just to get construction equipment in. I'm going to go out and around the other side of the island, around the Sluisbert, down into Deemer Park. Got a bunch of boats. I'm trying to use my hand to protect the microphone from the wind. Another bridge. But what I'm thinking about is up here where I started my walk when it was icy. Oh it is a bit windy today, but I'm also going against the wind. That's gonna be a pain to come home from Albertine, though. Fitness is my lifestyle. It's this little thing. I'm not sure. It has. Yeah, I'm still not sure what exactly. And then this one here is what I was thinking of. It's another hard pack path. So there's only really 4 hard paths into the entire island. Everything else is a man-made bridge. I mean, technically even those are man-made, but you know what I mean. Anyways, I'm heading around to the lock side. And yeah, Slousberg. Boats waiting to go into locks. Like, this would be super cool if one of those windmolling pylon things were here. I'd be like, oh my god, it's so tall. But who knows? The rain, as often as they go through, and the more I'm going to be biking as weather gets nicer, it might be a thing. Yeah, guys, it's this pathway. You can see my basket. It's a pain in the butt when anybody's walking along this pathway. I would be able to go down on the road, but there's a lot of construction going on. Actually, now that I think about it, they may actually have it done. I'm kind of looking at this. It's a little gravelly, but I'll have to see if I can get back. So if I can go straight down that road and then take a right after that fence, sure saved me a lot of hassle on this. But it's a bit awkward. Oh boy. Just go slow. Bump, bump. Still not good for bikes. Alright, back up to speed. In case you're wondering, this is an entrance to one of the canals that goes through Amsterdam. Or is it back there? No, I think this is it. Bump, bump, bump. Yeah, that goes by Burritos Anonymous and De Hoyer. Man, this thing's bumpy. Whenever I come by here, this is exactly where, when I'm on the handlebar mount, it's just blah, 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 blah. I mean, it's not bad. It's a little bumpy on the butt, but you can hear the bike rattling around. When I had a loose basket, it was fucking terrifying. I was just like, oh my god, the sound. But anyways, yeah, I could go up that bridge right there and get across into Oost. But alas, ons terras is open. Burgers and Boutenlau welcome. Nice. But yeah, this is more of the ground level of the Amsterdam Rhine Canal. So you guys have seen it multiple times. If you've bothered to look at Google Maps at anywhere near where I live, you've obviously seen it. It's a ridiculously straight piece of water. One of the straightest things about this country. Yachthafen Bouwmeester. So it's a yacht harbor building master. It's pretty much that. But this is the back way to get over to the little road, to the bridge that is actually the pedestrian bike bridge. I'm not going to be going over. I'm going to Albertine. But yeah, horsey, chickens. Whatever. New hand. Okie dokie. We're going around the backside of Iber. I still haven't crossed over. I'm gonna bounce around by Feifuk. This is basically, I'm approaching the final destination. Where I'll jump back onto Snelve. That bridge way over there. But yeah, this is the end of Iber.
I'm super tempted to find out anywhere nearby to rent a canoe, because they're going to be opening up, as you guys heard, canoe rental. Pedal around inside the central areas and whatnot. Or, you know, completely wear spandex while riding a bike. That'll get the gearheads a jumping. Okay. I'm here at Albert Heijn after all that long thing. And I had to record some of it because I don't have any reception in here. So my phone does not, I cannot get to, what's this bucket? Soundhound. So I recorded it here to get it tomorrow morning. Still have no effective clue if we are having practice at 11 or 8, but there was a great number of people who said that they would prefer both, and more people saying 8 o'clock than 11 o'clock. So, you know, you can either neutralize or put check marks in both sections for all those people who are like, I don't really care, because they probably don't have school, they probably don't have work. But yeah, Ronald said that he couldn't. I hope he can make it. I kind of want to question him more. I don't know why. No idea why. I want to get to know him. I don't know. Like, one makes a great impression on me when one makes a really good impression on me when they bring up Panda Express. Banana yogurt. So, I literally read that as Chateau Picard, but it's Chateau de Bel Air. Interesting. Aaron wants funky drinks. Oh, that's back here. I'm probably going to be picking up a fair bit of drinks. Because Yopen, no. Fun drinks. I don't know what he means by that. I mean, I do, but not. I thought they had ginger beer here. Okay, okay. It's I feel like I should shave, but we're not really. By the way, I am not wearing a jacket, so I have to put everything in weird buckets. I'm checking on things because I don't have any reception in there. So yeah, awkward. It's entirely possible that something happened while I was in the store that'll affect dinner tonight. Cycling activity, 34 minutes, 11.8 kilometers, and I still have to go about 3 home. I wonder if I can drag that one out. Bike lane. Yeah. The whole... everything's just real nice today. I figured after every practice, have a beer. 2 after Sunday. I like drinking beer. I like getting drunk. But I probably shouldn't be drinking as excessively as I was. Like every night. 2 to 3 triples. I mean, it does affect body, but yeah. Okay, open up WhatsApp. Haven't heard anything since 11:04. I'm getting cloncher to have some candies right now, so that's fun. I was recording from the phone, and so you're not shiny, fuck off. So that's why those things were a little bit choppy. You are still all got fingerprints on you. Why? Thinking, how do I extend my ride? Well, if I go in the backside, go up by Bystorm, and then I roll around, now, because I'm just repeating the same route. I could just ride straight through. No, that would be a bad idea. Fuck. I could just go up and around the other side, not cross the Piet behind the Piet Dikkemontsbrug. Huh. Goddamn scooters. That's what you're doing. Every time I pause, it vibrates. I was wondering why I was getting so many notifications while writing. Easy day, easy day. Feels weird to be filming good with your right hand, but your shifter's also on your right hand. Ugh. The long forgotten boat. The internal harbor of Steicher Island. Bet your ass that thing was frozen solid. One of the houses in there is for sale. Like, it's super weird. Aaron and I were looking, like the master bedroom. Like the master bedroom is underwater. You know how like basements have those tiny little like windows near the ceiling? Yeah, that's the master bedroom. It's down Steicher See. It's down that way. The wind's being a bit excessive right now, but oh, red light. Green light. I think it's time to just face some things and go outside the neighborhood on the rollerblades. In a second gear, against the wind, up the bridge. This is already gonna make my legs burn enough. But yeah, you can see the silos from here. Domino's, going to deliver pizza. Still haven't decided how I'm gonna get back and around. I know how to get home. Resting my hand on the handlebars. The wind is a bit crossy right now. That's the back way. Zips over there, curves back by the freeway. I mean, it's really hard. I would call that a highway because, but the A2 comes in and circles around the city. Yay, it's green, let's go. Shell station. It's not listing how much the gas is though. Oh, look at that line. On the Albemeter Hauptstand. Everybody getting their car washed in nice weather. New parking thing. As is earlier, I said I could go down that road and I would have ended up right here. I have made a giant circle. bridge. The wind, I'm in third gear and I'm just, my legs, my quads, right there. I can feel it. But I do like the excessive amount of vegetation around the edge of the slocha. The moat, sorry, the moat. This bridge coming up is the one that goes back into my place. But yeah, so I'm gonna do, show you guys the new bike paths. I'm gonna hold this. Everything looks super nice. But as you can see, the water is still unbroken all the way to here. And into the neighborhood we come. Oh, look, there's a line for Albertheim now. Skate park. And we're home. So Aaron's still safe. I know I've done a lot of not around Aaron today. Just letting you all know.
Aaron's still safe?
If we don't check in on you, it could be people can go out the window. There's mothers and other people are like, I haven't seen Aaron all this video. Is he safe? You know,
Okay.
just that's the thing. So that's coming somewhere about 7:30. So
Like when dinner gets here.
yeah, we had. It's the very end of the video because dinner will be here soon. Okay, as you guys saw earlier from all the bike riding, it was nice. It was blue sky, mostly sunny, and now we have a wonderfully populated skate park. A whole line of people for Albertheim, and that monstrosity's on its way in 20 minutes. Pray for them.